LCDs, or liquid crystal displays, revolutionized our viewing experience. Emerging as a beacon of innovation, they transformed devices from bulky CRTs into sleek, modern screens. But how do they work? Imagine a sandwich of light and crystals. At the back, a white light illuminates the scene. Between two polarizing filters lies the magic component, the liquid crystal. These crystals twist and turn, controlling the light passing through, creating images that range from pitch black to vibrant colors. It's a dance of light, orchestrated by electric currents. But no technology is without its flaws. LCDs initially struggled with inefficient backlight usage and less than perfect blacks. The backlight often bled through, giving away that telltale glow of an LCD screen. Viewing angles, too, were limited. However, like any good story, the hero evolves. In their quest for perfection, LCDs underwent significant transformations. Two innovations stand out: mini LEDs and quantum dots. Mini LEDs miniaturized the backlight, breaking it into thousands of tiny lights. This leap forward allowed for deeper blacks and more efficient power usage. Then came quantum dots, tiny structures converting light into vibrant, wastage-minimal colors. Together, these advancements brought LCDs closer to the ideal display form. In contrast to LCDs, OLEDs, organic light-emitting diodes, offered a radically different approach. Each pixel in an OLED screen is a tiny light source, eliminating the need for a backlight. This technology brought about screens that were incredibly thin, flexible, and capable of producing true blacks, thanks to the ability to completely turn off individual pixels. But just like LCDs, OLEDs had their hurdles. The organic materials used in OLEDs were prone to degradation, leading to issues like burn-in. However, the relentless pursuit of improvement led to innovations that significantly enhanced the longevity and brightness of OLED displays. Here's where our story takes an interesting turn. Despite their different starting points, both LCDs and OLEDs are evolving towards a common goal: a bright, robust, and efficient display. LCDs are striving to improve their backlight control and color vibrancy, while OLEDs are working on enhancing brightness and longevity. It's a race towards an ideal display, a journey marked by innovation and creativity. Enter Micro LED. The future? Amidst this evolution, a new contender has emerged: Micro LED. This technology promises the best of both worlds: the robustness and brightness of LCDs with the true blacks and individual pixel control of OLEDs. Micro LEDs are made up of millions of tiny LEDs, each a pixel in its own right. It's a revolutionary concept, but one that's still in its infancy. Manufacturing challenges and costs are the dragons this knight must slay to claim its throne in the display kingdom. As we gaze into the crystal ball of display technologies, the future looks bright and pixel perfect. Innovations like tandem OLEDs, micro OLEDs for VR, and quantum dot enhancements are just the beginning. We might even see the organic part of OLEDs replaced entirely, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Display technology isn't just about better viewing experiences, it's a cornerstone in numerous industries. In healthcare, precise and reliable displays are vital for diagnostic equipment, enhancing the accuracy of medical imaging. In the automotive sector, advances in displays contributed to safer and more intuitive vehicle interfaces. Let's take a deeper dive into LCDs. This technology, born out of a quest for flat panel displays, has shaped the consumer electronics landscape. LCDs are everywhere, from your digital watch to giant billboards. The evolution of LCDs is a testament to human ingenuity, continually improving to offer better energy efficiency, color accuracy, and viewing angles. OLEDs brought a paradigm shift. This technology didn't just improve displays, it reinvented them. Each pixel in an OLED screen is an emissive element, bringing unparalleled contrast ratios and true blacks. But what really sets OLEDs apart is their flexibility. They've enabled designers to create curved and foldable screens, opening new horizons in device design. As we venture further into the realm of micro-LEDs, we see a technology that could potentially bridge the gap between the benefits of LCDs and OLEDs. Micro-LEDs promise longevity, energy efficiency, and an absence of burn-in issues, combined with the extraordinary color and contrast capabilities of OLEDs. In our increasingly eco-conscious world, the environmental impact of technology is more critical than ever. Here, display technologies are also evolving. The shift towards more energy-efficient displays like OLEDs and micro-LEDs is a step in the right direction, reducing the carbon footprint of our devices. For gamers, the evolution of display technology is a game changer. Higher refresh rates, better color accuracy, and faster response times significantly enhance the gaming experience. The rise of OLEDs with their superior contrast ratios and micro-LEDs with their potential for massive seamless screens is something gamers are eagerly watching. In professional settings, like graphic design and broadcasting, display technology plays a crucial role. Accurate color representation and clarity are non-negotiable in these fields. The advancements in LCDs with quantum dot technology and the rise of OLEDs have been a boon for professionals who rely on the fidelity of their screens. In the world of smartphones and tablets, displays are a battleground for innovation. The shift to OLEDs in smartphones has enabled thinner and more power-efficient designs, while foldable and rollable screens are redefining what's possible in portable devices. As micro-LED technology matures, it could further revolutionize these devices. Comparing LCD, OLED, and micro-LED in detail. To truly appreciate these technologies, let's compare them in various aspects. Brightness and color accuracy. OLEDs offer superior contrast and color accuracy, but advancements in LCDs, especially with quantum dots, are closing the gap. Micro-LEDs promise the best of both worlds. Energy efficiency. OLEDs are generally more energy efficient than traditional LCDs due to their emissive nature. Micro-LEDs, with their promise of lower power consumption, could set new standards in efficiency. Lifespan and durability. LCDs are known for their longevity. OLEDs, while having improved significantly, can suffer from burn-in. Micro-LEDs are expected to offer longevity without the burn-in issues. Manufacturing complexity and cost. LCDs are currently the most cost-effective and easiest to manufacture. OLEDs, particularly for large screens, are more complex and expensive. Micro-LEDs face significant manufacturing challenges, reflected in their cost. Looking to the future, we anticipate several exciting developments. Advancements in quantum dot technology. This could lead to LCDs with even better color accuracy and energy efficiency. Improvements in OLED longevity. Continued research could minimize the issue of burn-in, making OLEDs more reliable over time. Breakthroughs in micro-LED manufacturing. Solving the manufacturing challenges could make micro-LEDs a more accessible option, potentially dominating the market. New technologies on the horizon. Technologies like electroluminescent quantum dots and advanced e-ink displays could bring new players into the display technology arena. For consumers, this evolution means more choices and better products. Whether it's a smartphone, a TV, or a professional monitor, the improvements in display technologies translate to a superior viewing experience. As we celebrate these technological advancements, it's also essential to consider the ethical aspects of manufacturing. The industry is moving towards more sustainable practices, reducing the use of harmful materials and improving recycling processes. Displays play a crucial role in emerging technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. The demand for higher resolution, faster refresh rates, and more lifelike color reproduction is driving advancements in display tech, directly impacting the development of AR and VR. As we conclude our extensive exploration into the world of display technologies, it's clear that the journey from LCDs to OLEDs and towards micro-LEDs is not just about screens. It's about how we interact with technology, how we experience our digital world, and how we envision the future. The perfect display may still be on the horizon, but with each advancement, we come closer to turning that vision into reality. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth journey at AI Tech Underground. If you found this exploration enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the fascinating world of technology. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating. In conclusion, the world of display technology is a story of constant evolution, a journey towards an elusive, perfect display. From the humble beginnings of LCDs to the organic marvels of OLEDs and the promising potential of micro-LEDs, it's a tale of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of display technologies. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to AI Tech Underground for more insightful explorations into the fascinating world of technology. Until next time, keep your screens bright and your curiosity brighter.